Hey, today we're going to talk about how easy it is to shop at the Harbin Automotive website. Everything is real. This is the first page you see. Everything's real easy, self-explanatory. If you want to shop new, you've got new Chevys, new Fords. Everything is categorized, how many we have of each. We can go to our used section if you're interested in cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. It breaks it all down. It even breaks down the price ranges in which you can find. If you have a certain goal, you can look at those in that inventory. We have you can do your research on them, look up car specials. You can even apply for an online credit approval, get your trade evaluated. You can even schedule a test drive, or you can go to our service department and schedule a oil change, or if you need to get a recall done. And it also breaks it down in bigger buttons down here. If you click into the new inventory, it breaks it down, shows you what our original price was, our MSRP. It also shows you our Harbin value price. Now this is our best price. We make it very easy to shop, get all the details. It gives you the stock number of the one you're interested in, and when you click check availability, test drive, lets us know that you're interested. We can give you a call, make sure that vehicle's ready and pulled up for you when you get here. It really just streamlines the whole process of buying a car and makes it very, very simple. You can search for, you got search bars, you got a million filters to make sure you're picking out the right vehicle for you.